Hello, greetings from Monash University. I'm Haikal Pribadi. I work with my lecturer, Dr. Simon Egerton, on a research project. We are developing a robot to simulate the behavior of a bartender. We call it the Jimmy robot. It will be able to talk, to understand what you say, to extract commands from what you say. So in general, it will be able to communicate with you. It will be able to identify users and certain objects in the rooms, and it will be able to navigate to those users and objects. It will also be able to communicate over the network to those certain devices. Overall, it will simulate the behavior of a bartender with all those functions. It is the second milestone at this point. From the first milestone was developing the driver and a manual control over the network for the robot. At this stage, the progress is we've completed the driver using a ROS framework, Robotic Operating System. It has a speech recognition module. It already has a text-to-speech module, a speech interface which extracts commands from the recognized speeches, a skeletal tracker using the OpenAI library from Kinect, and functions to navigate to users and objects. The Jimmy controller at this point has utilized the functions to navigate to users. In the next milestone, which will come really soon, the Jimmy controller will integrate all the speech interfaces into the robot. So we shall move on to the demonstration now. Jimmy! There you go. It's gonna follow me wherever I go. Come. Okay. So basically what it's doing right now is that it centralizes the target in as its direction. So wherever I move, it will navigate towards me, and if I move faster, it will actually move faster towards me. And if it gets too close, it will actually move backwards a little bit. He doesn't like people standing too close to him, so, you know. So, come, follow me again. And the idea is, in a bartender, in an actual bar, you might have to go to approach a bartender which is not really close to your table, and once the bartender acknowledges like you calling him, you will be walking back to your table, in which the bartender will actually follow you back to the table. So that is what the robot is behaving right now. Okay, so let's see a little bit more action of Jimmy and take it to a seat. Jimmy! Thanks. Jimmy, can you get me a glass of beer? So, in the next milestone, you will be able to see Jimmy to actually respond to that order, navigate to a computer simulating the bar, and come back with a drink on its screen. So, hopefully that will be really soon. And I guess that's all for today's demonstration. I would like to thank my partner, Suraj Safari, who is holding the camera right now. And Jimmy doesn't like to be really close to me. I don't know why. You don't have to be too far. Okay. Come back. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks.